Hey, hello guys, welcome to this second video of this video series HTML5 for total beginners. Today we are going to cover attributes, heading tags, paragraphs and links. Also we are going to cover, I'm going to tell you some interview questions at the end of this video. So let's get started. So what do you mean by attribute? What are HTML attributes? The attributes are basically are the parameters which are included in the tags which provides additional information about that tag. For example, you can see here this is a tag name, title is an attribute, alright, and hypertext markup language is a value. So attribute always comes in a name value pair. Okay, let me tell you with an example. Okay, it's a blank canvas in front of us. Let's just create one paragraph tag. Okay, so in this paragraph tag, attributes are always written in the opening tag. So we can give this paragraph attribute like class new pair. Okay, that's it. This is called as a class attribute. Okay, we can also specify another type of attribute like id. Alright, so this class id, whatever comes after the name of the tag is called as an attribute. Okay, we also have style attribute. We can specify style here like color red. So let's just check it in browser. Here you can say this is style attribute. I'm going to tell you in detail about the HTML style later on, but now just understand what attribute is. So this thing is called as attribute. Right, let's move forward. Now we're going to see the heading tag. HTML uses 6 level of heading tags, H1 to H6. The higher heading tag level, the higher heading level number, the greater its importance. For example, H1, it defines the most important heading, whereas H6 defines the least important heading. Right. Let me tell you with an example. Let's just delete this one and let's have H1. Okay, this is a H1 tag. Let's see how it looks in browser. Okay, you can see it looks bolder. It's actually heading 1, we can also say it. Now let me tell you other tags also. H2. I'm just going to copy this. Alright, let's see. You can see the difference. This is H1, H2, H3 and so on. This one is H6, the least one. Alright, let's just understand the importance of heading. Heading provide additional information by highlighting valuable topics and the structure of the document. Whenever we want to highlight the topic, we can use heading. Never use heading to make the bold text. Never use heading to make the text bold. There are different other tags for that purpose. Only use heading for highlighting your document. Actually, it is also important for search engines to index your web pages. So use wisely. Generally, you must only have one H1 tag, uh, and then you can have H2, H3, and so on. Alright. So now let's just see what paragraph is. I have already, I think in previous lecture I have told you what paragraph is. Paragraph is anything. Paragraph is a tag. So if you want to put anything on the web page like text, you can use the paragraph. I'm using the dummy text lorem. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you can just type lorem and hit. You can type lorem and hit the tab button. It will give you this dummy text. Okay, so this is what this one is a paragraph. Paragraph is completely basic tag. So whenever we want to put anything, any paragraph, we can use the paragraph tag. Okay, this is fairly simple. Now let's see what are the HTML links. You all know links, like we click on the links and then we get to the another page. Okay, we derivated. For example, this one is link in W3 school website. Okay, whenever I click this takes me to the another page. Okay, this is called as a link. So what is the syntax of link? Okay, link tag always use link tag as I mean link tags are included in anchor. Anchor tag is used to specify the link. Okay, so this is link. Okay, you need to specify where this link should go. For example, I want it go to the Google. Let me just grab the Google address, or I want to go to W3 schools website. So I can copy this link and I can put it here. Okay, so this anchor tag is going to give me a link. Let me tell you. Okay, so here it is. This is link. Right. Whatever we wrote here, this is link is going to appear, and yeah, it is going to divert us to w3schools.com. Whenever I click this link, see, we are going to divert to this link. Okay, so there are different attributes, target attributes of a link, like blank, parent, self, and top. Okay, we will see it. Blank, parent, self, and top. These are the attributes of a link tag or anchor tag, you can say. For instance, I have written this a tag. Okay, the href is the same. Okay, here I have written click me. This text is one. So the attribute is target attribute, target blank. So whenever I write blank, it is going to open a new window for me. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is click me. Whenever I click here, see the new window is opened. So this is because of this blank target. So we can specify here blank or parent. So what happens when we specify the parent? Let's see, it is going to open in the by default in this window only whenever we specify the parent, right? Like this. We can read more about links here in HTML section of W3 schools. You can always head to W3 schools whenever you feel any difficulty. This is very nice documented document. Everything you can see here. Okay, so here is the target attributes. So whenever you want to open a link document in a new window, same window, parent frame or top, you can use these different types of attribute. I think now you get the idea what attribute is. Here in this anchor tag, href is one attribute and target is another attribute, right? So what are some interview questions from this session? Interviewer might ask you what are the attributes with syntax and with one example. He might ask you what is h1 tag or h2 h6, where to use it, how to use it. He might also ask you paragraphs and some questions on the link also, and what is the target attribute of a link, right? So these questions he might ask. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so you will get notifications of this video series. Thank you guys.